All right, scanning documents on Android phones. Scanning documents is better than taking a photo because scanning automatically crops the edges, removes messy shadows, and turns the image into searchable text that looks like it came from an office scanner. On many Android phones, you can simply point your camera to a document and a scan option will pop up. Mine doesn't do that, so I'll need to use a separate app for this. One great and standard way to scan documents on Android is to use Google Drive. I'll open my Drive app, then tap the massive plus icon in the bottom right corner and choose Scan. My phone will ask for permission to access the camera, and after that, I'm ready to start scanning. You'll see how the scanner automatically detects the edges of my document and narrows down the scan based on that. I can hit the shutter button to capture the document. I can then make changes like apply a filter or go back and adjust the crop points if needed. Once I'm happy with the results, I'll tap Next. I can choose to save this as a PDF document or in JPEG photo format. The scan gets saved on my Google Drive, and if I want to, I can go in and pick a specific folder where it'll be saved. Then tap Upload and you're done. From here, you can open the scanned document to save it directly on your phone, share it, print it, whatever you want to do. Just tap the three dots on the top right corner, and you'll see all the different options for sharing and downloading your document. Another way to do this would be by using a third-party app. They all work similarly, but I think Google Drive is enough for most users. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.